So tautology, contradiction and contingency, that we have already discussed the previous topics. So tautology means a compound proposition which is true for all possible truth values of a components, and a proposition which is false for all possible truth values of a components, that is called the contradiction, and a proposition which can be true or false for all possible truth values of its components, that is called the contingency. And we have already solved an example previous. Today I am taking an example. Prove that the compound proposition, negation of P and P or negation of Q and Q, negation of P and P or negation of Q and Q is a contradiction. To prove this compound proposition, first we prepare the table P. I am assuming the values of the P, means all possible values we have to taken here. 1 1 0 0, 1 0 1 0. We also need the negation of P and also the negation of Q. So I am also writing the negation of P and negation of Q here. 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0 1. Now see here, we need the P or negation of Q. So P or negation of Q, P or negation of Q, 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 1, 1, 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 1, 1. Now we need P or negation of Q and Q. We can call this one the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So according to the column name, we need 5 and 2. So 5 and 2, this will be the sixth column. 5 and 2, 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0. So what is the next part that we have need? Negation of P and this one. This one is nothing but your sixth column. So negation of P is your third column. 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 0. See here, all the values of the seventh column are, all the truth values of the compound proposition will be false. So all the entries in the columns are 0. Therefore the given proposition is contradiction. So see the next example. I am taking the one more example here. Prove that the compound proposition, P and Q or R biconditional P is a contingency. So now I am taking in a table for the P, Q, R. P, Q, R. When there are three propositions, possible kinds of the values will be three kind. You can take like 4 times 1, 4 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0. On that base you can also remember the possible truth values of the arrangements. So now it becomes 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So see here, we need the first P and Q. So I am taking the P and Q. I am also giving the name to the column. So first we arrange all possible values, possible truth values for the three propositions P, Q, R here. After writing the possible truth values, possible values for the propositions, now I am taking P and Q. P and Q means 1 and 2, 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0. So next we need P and Q or R. P and Q is already in the fourth column. Now we need a or R. That means 4 or 3. That is called fifth column. 4 or 3. Here already 4. 1 or 1. 1. 1 or 0. 1. 0 or 1. 1. 0 or 0. 0. 0 or 1. 1. 0 or 0. 0. 0 or 1. 1. 0 or 0. 0. That is the fifth column. Now we move to the biconditional P. So now we are moving to the biconditional. So we already know that rule 5. According to the rule 5 in the biconditional, that is P if and only if Q. P if and only if Q. According to this condition, the rule 5 states that the proposition will be true only if both when P and Q are true or both are false, and is false in other cases. That means is true when both P and Q are true or both are false. Both are false. And in other cases, false. So when both P and Q are true or both P and Q are false, then only the condition compound proposition is true. Otherwise it will be false. So come here, we need P and Q or R. That is your fifth column. Fifth column, if and only if P means first column. First one means when both first and fifth column are true, then it is true. When both are true, true. Both are true, true. True, false. False. False, true. False. False, false. True. False, true. False. False, false. See the values here. The truth value of the compound proposition is true and false. Both are included here. When both are included, then it will be considered as a compound proposition is contingency. In the previous, we have proved that all the truth values of the compound proposition is false. When all the truth values of the compound proposition is false, then it is contradiction. When all the truth values of the compound propositions are maybe true or false, then it will be the contingency. So now see the one more example here. Prove that the compound proposition P and Q and P are negation of Q is a contradiction. So P and Q, when only the two propositions are obtained, write down all the possible values here. 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. So we need the negation of Q. So I am taking the negation of Q, first column, second column and third column. 1 0, negation of 0 1, negation of 1 0, negation of 0 1. P or negation of Q, 1 or 3, 1 or 3, 1 or 0 1, 1 or 1 1, 0 or 0 0, 0 or 1 1. That is P or negation of Q. Next we take on a P and Q. P and Q means 1 and 2. You can also taken directly P and Q, that is your fifth column. So P and Q, 1 and 1 1, 1 and 0 0, 0 and 1 0, 0 and 0 0. Next we need P and Q, that is the fifth one, and P or negation of Q. P or negation of Q means fourth column. So 1 and 1. Sorry, just make some arrangements here. Negation of P or Q. Sorry, negation of P or Q. So P or Q, I am taking that one more column. P or Q, that is your sixth column. P or Q, 1 or 1 1, 1 or 0 1, 0 or 1 1, 0 or 0 0. So negation of P or Q, that is your seventh one. So negation of P or Q. So negation of P or Q is already done here. Negation of P or Q, negation of 1, negation of 1, negation of 1, negation of 0. So now P and Q, that is your fifth column, and negation of P or Q, that is your seventh one. P and Q, negation of P or Q, 1 and 0 0, 0 and 0 0, 0 and 0 0, 0 and 1 0. All the truth values are false here. So there is there are some little bit rearrangements will be done here, means some negation of P or Q. So we don't need any negation of Q here, and this column is not needed here. Please make that as a note. So simply we need P and Q, and negation of P or Q is a contradiction. Prove that the proposition. So first we taken a P and Q here. P will be 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. So after taking the P and Q, first we have to arrange the P and Q. 1 and 1 1, 1 and 0 0, 0 and 1 0, 0 and 0 0. So next we need the P or Q. 1 or 1 1, 1 or 0 1, 0 or 1 1, 0 or 0 0. Negation of P or Q, negation of 1 0, negation of 1 0, negation of 1 0, negation of 0 1. So next we need P and Q, and negation of P or Q. Already negation of P or Q is here. P and Q and the negation of P or Q, 1 and 0 0, 0 and 0 0, 0 and 0 0, 0 and 1 0. So just be note, this column is not needed here. Just make a note. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is sufficient. So that is an examples of the compound propositions under the tautology, contradiction, and contingency. I am repeating once again. In the tautology, all the truth values are true. In the contradiction, all the truth values are false. In the contingency, the truth values are true or false. Neither a tautology nor a contradiction. So that kind of the problems will be come under the tautology, contradiction and contingency.